I will start with going to the Add menu, click on Add, and then go to Mesh, and then come down to Gears. And then I can click on Gear. Okay. Click to expand the settings. And this is where I will be playing with the values, showing the settings to get the basic base shape of our spaceship. So first, starting with the number of teeth, this I will reduce to 5. Okay. And the radius I can increase to 120. Okay, so this is good. And this I can reduce to 13. Yeah, this is fine. And let's come to the base. Base for now, I will leave it as is. First, I will change this addendum. Okay. Addendum, I will start to reduce it. And I will take it all the way to the negative 105. 105. Yeah, this is good. And the addendum, I will also take it to the negative minus 30. And the pressure angle, I will use this to close off this circle. So I'll just increase it. And it only goes up to 45 degrees. So this is fine. Next I will adjust the crown. I'll take this and raise it up. I'll increase it further up to 130. Okay, we're getting there, don't worry. Keep your boarding pass ready. And the conical angle, I will increase this to 60, 64. Just 2 more. Okay, so this is fine. And now I can adjust the base. Base, I will increase it up to here. And rest, I will adjust later on. So this is already giving me a good start. Okay, so now I will accept this and I will click away and press tab to go into the edit mode. Deselect everything. I will switch to the face selection mode. Alt click on any edge. This will give me face ring selection. Very good. And I will press E to extrude. This will give me thickness. Okay. I will alt click here and press S to scale to reduce the inner radius. But at the moment, as you can see, it is scaling uniformly. But I want to keep the Z value unchanged. So I will press Shift Z to ignore the Z value. And I will only scale in X and Y. And click to accept it. I need a loop cut over here. So I can extrude the detail out. Press Ctrl R and click. Now I can just bring it closer over here. This much is enough. Okay, and then again, I will switch to the face selection or click over here. This will give me the ring selection. Now I can press E to extrude to bring it down. Yeah, okay. Press S to scale it out. Okay, and then E to extrude one more time. And then scale it out just a little bit. Okay, and now this one, I will add a loop cut in between. Press Ctrl R, click, and then right click. Okay, this is good. And then I can scale it out to match the flow of the shape. So following the basic flow, we're already getting a very nice look of our spaceship. And as you can see, these vertices are penetrating each other. I need to fix this. I can easily merge them. And I'll select all of these. And I'll merge them by distance. Press M and click on by distance. And now I will increase the merge distance. Okay, so this is merged successfully. No more 2 vertices at the same location. Same thing I will repeat for the top. Okay, so I will click and drag to select. And press M to merge. And click on by distance. And yes, this is done. Successfully merged. Now this is looking good. And as you can see, this is too flat. I'll select and go into the edit mode. And I'll switch to the front view. I'll go into the wireframe mode. I'll select all of these. Okay. Hold Control and click on plus in order to grow the selection. Now I can grab this and move it down. And press G to move. And also press Z to move it straight down in Z. Just to follow the flow of the shape. I'll switch to the front view. And I'll move it down a little bit more. Following the shape flow. Okay. So this is looking great. This is how easily we can generate a basic spaceship and can be further developed, adding details that is desired. Okay, and this was done with the help of Mesh Extra add-on. The way to get it, go to Edit, Preferences, and then click on Add-ons, and in the search, just type Extra. Okay, this is the one Mesh Extra. Just click the check mark, and it will be enabled. Okay, so I hope this was useful, and give me your feedback in the comments. How did you find this add-on useful with your creativity? So thank you for watching, and it's time to fly away in my spaceship. Press G to take off, and I'm going. Bye bye.